Alrighty guys, so I have this video of the Marvel box of March of the Funko from Amazon, which I already opened halfway. Have not seen any spoilers yet, so this is all new to me. Hopefully it's not duplicate pops that they haven't done before. Okay, which is the Infinity Saga. Very cool. And then hoping for a Black Panther, which maybe not since he's not a real big deal in the Infinity Saga, but you know, probably Iron Man pop or Thanos. Well, here we go. Okay, first t-shirt. Spider-Man? Yeah. Spider-Man Far From Home shirt. Far says Peter Parker. Which I get size small. Which the other sizes are way too big for me for some reason. And then we have this pin of Captain Marvel. Cool. Pins are really cool. And then, oh, coming soon, Black Widow. Black Widow's cool. Movie coming out soon. Oh, last year's a Black Panther pop. Wow. I'm happy about that. Oh, Star-Lord glow in the dark. With the Power Stone. Oh, yeah, that's a pretty epic moment in the movie. You can see why they put it in here. Glows in the dark as well. Very cool. And then, oh, what's this? Oh, sticker, Thor's hammer. Oh, wow. So this Black Panther, another glow in the dark. Oh, this is when the end of an end game when they try and take the gauntlet from him. I believe, not sure. But very cool. Actually pretty happy with these, especially Black Panther since that's what I collect the most. Alright, thank you guys. Stay tuned for, guess, the Black Widow one.